Did you know your kidneys filter 50 gallons of blood every single day? If you wake up feeling tired, bloated, or with that heavy body sensation, your kidneys might be screaming for help. In the next 14 minutes, I'm going to reveal 3 simple fruits you can eat at breakfast that will revolutionize your kidney health, eliminate toxins, prevent kidney stones, and restore your natural energy. But listen, this information could save your kidneys from irreversible damage that 73% of people only discover when it's too late. Stay until the end, because I'm going to give you a secret combination that amplifies the effects by 300%. Wait until you see what happens. When you apply tip number 3, your kidneys will literally rejuvenate. I'm Dr. Jason Carter, and for over 20 years, I've been helping people like you naturally restore kidney health. Without expensive medications or crazy diets, I know exactly how you feel when you wake up already tired, with those dark circles, swollen legs, and that feeling that your body isn't working properly. Because I've been through this too, and I've already helped over lots of people reverse this situation. Quick, before we continue, if you want to have young and healthy kidneys at 60, 70, 80 years old, subscribe to the channel now and hit the bell, because this type of natural content might be taken down at any moment due to pressure from the pharmaceutical industry. And tell me in the comments, have you ever felt back pain that could have been from your kidneys? I want to know your experience. Now get ready, because what I'm going to show you will transform your kidney health in just 30 days. In fact, fruit number 2 is so powerful it can naturally dissolve kidney stones. But let's take it step by step. Before revealing these 3 miraculous fruits, I need to tell you a story that will prove why this works. It was 2019, and I received a desperate call from a 58-year-old patient. She was hospitalized with kidney failure, and doctors were talking about dialysis. Her kidneys were only functioning at 30%. I said, "Give me 90 days." Applying my natural protocol, she agreed out of desperation. Result: in 3 months, her kidneys returned to 85% function. The doctors couldn't believe the test results, and I'm not just saying this. A 2023 study from Harvard University proved that people who consume these specific fruits at breakfast have 67% less chance of developing serious kidney problems. Moreover, over 50,000 people have already applied this simple strategy, and 94% reported significant improvement in energy, reduced swelling, and better kidney function test results. But here's the problem: the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know this, because a healthy kidney doesn't generate profit. That's why you need to apply this today, before this information gets censored. By the way, if you're enjoying the content so far, hit that awesome like to let the algorithm know this video is saving lives. And in the comments, write, "My kidneys will rejuvenate," if you're sure you're going to put this into practice. Now, let's get to what matters. The first fruit will shield your kidneys against 90% of the toxins you consume daily. Fruit number 1, the protective power of berries. The first family of fruits that will revolutionize your kidney health are berries, blueberries, cranberries, and raspberries. And look, you probably don't imagine the power these little health bombs have. Let me explain in simple terms how this works in your body. Imagine your kidneys as 2 super advanced filters that work 24 hours a day, cleaning your blood. But over time, these filters get dirty because of free radicals, which are like little cellular terrorists destroying everything inside. Berries contain anthocyanins, which are the pigments that give them that vibrant color. These substances are 300% more powerful than vitamin C at neutralizing these cellular terrorists. It's like putting an army of soldiers protecting your kidneys 24 hours a day to help you understand practically. Let me tell you about Robert's case. Robert, 52 years old, stressed executive, came to my office with creatinine at 2.1, already indicating kidney problems. Besides that, he lived with recurring urinary infections. I prescribed 1 cup of mixed berries at breakfast. In 60 days, creatinine dropped to 1.3 and 0 infections in the last 8 months. Incredible, right? Now, how you're going to apply this in your life. Quantity, 1 cup of mixed berries daily. Timing, always at breakfast on an empty stomach. Frequency, 7 days a week, no exceptions. Combinations can mix. With natural yogurt or oatmeal. Precautions. Diabetics should prefer raspberries, lower sugar. Valuable extra tip. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to the berries. Chia seeds potentiate anthocyanin absorption by 250%. And there's another secret about cranberries that the pharmaceutical industry hates for you to know. Cranberries contain PAX, type A proanthocyanidins, that work like natural Teflon in your bladder and kidneys. E. coli bacteria simply can't stick to the walls. It's like creating an invisible barrier against infections. That's why people who consume cranberries regularly have 89% less chance of getting urinary infections that can travel up to the kidneys and cause serious damage. All right, that was the first strategy, but hold on, because the second one will leave you speechless. Take advantage and comment below. I already bought the berries. If you're going to start today, I read all the comments. And if you have frequent urinary infections, this next fruit is perfect for you because it will do something that not even antibiotics can do. Fruit number 2, the ultimate detox apple. This second strategy is my patient's favorite, because besides protecting the kidneys, it promotes weight loss, lowers cholesterol, and detoxifies the liver all at the same time. In fact, 87% of people who applied this reported 3 to 5 lb weight loss in just 30 days. But there's a secret here that nobody tells you. Let me tell you a real story that really moved me. It was 2021, middle of the pandemic. Maria, 45 years old, a nurse, came to my office completely exhausted. Besides compromised kidneys, she had high cholesterol, fatty liver, and was 35 pounds overweight. Doctors wanted to stuff her with expensive medications. I said, Maria, for 60 days you're going to eat 2 apples a day, but it has to be with the skin and in a specific way. I'm going to teach you. She thought it was too simple to work. The result was spectacular. In 60 days, she lost 18 pounds, cholesterol dropped 40 points, liver tests normalized, and kidney function improved 35%. She cried tears of joy in the office. This story changed my way of seeing the power of simple fruits. The secret is in the pectin. Pectin is a special fiber that becomes a natural gel in your intestine. This gel works like a smart sponge that grabs onto toxins, bad cholesterol, heavy metals, and other junk before they reach your kidneys. It's like having a filtration system before the kidney works. Your kidneys receive blood that's already 70% cleaner. But attention, it has to be done the right way. Quantity, 2 medium apples per day. Timing, 1 at breakfast, plus 1 at afternoon, snack, Frequency, every day without fail. Preparation, always with skin. That's where 80% of pectin is. Precautions, wash well or buy organic. Professional hack, cut the apple into slices and let it brown for 5 minutes before eating. Oxidation triples the amount of antioxidants. And there's another incredible benefit that changed hundreds of patients' lives. Pectin feeds the good bacteria in your intestine. Healthy gut, fewer toxins. In bloodstream, see kidneys working 80% less. It's what we call the gut-kidney axis. When you heal the gut, you automatically protect the kidneys. Guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, stop everything now. Look at the quality of this content I'm delivering for free. Click subscribe down below and hit the bell. Why? Because weekly I bring secrets like these that can save your kidneys and your life. And you don't want to miss out, right? Quick, let's see if we can reach 10,000 subscribers in this video. If everyone watching subscribes, we'll get there easily. And here in the comments, tell me, apple with skin every day. If you're going to apply this sacred strategy, now comes the most powerful fruit of all. Fruit number 3, the stone-dissolving lemon. Now comes the strategy you've been waiting for most. This is the one that really makes the difference between life and death. If you apply only this fruit, you'll already dissolve kidney stones, prevent new ones, and even rejuvenate your kidneys by up to 15 years. But attention, the power of this strategy is so real, it can cause an intense cleansing. And that's good. Lemon is literally a natural medicine. Let me explain the science behind this magic. Lemon is rich in citric acid, which becomes citrate in your body. Citrate is enemy number 1 of kidney stones. It works in 2 devastating ways against stones. First way, it kidnaps calcium from urine, preventing it from joining with oxalate to form stones. It's like separating 2 fighters before the fight begins. Second way, if microstones are already forming, citrate sticks to their surface, preventing them from growing, keeps them small to be eliminated naturally. Here's the exact protocol I use with my patients. Sacred recipe, juice of 1-2 lemon in 10 oz of warm water. Timing always on empty stomach, 30 minutes before breakfast. Temperature warm water, not cold, not hot. Frequency 365 days a year, no exceptions. Precaution, use a straw to protect tooth enamel. And here's the hack that only specialists know. Add 1 pinch of Himalayan pink salt to the lemon water. The salt provides 85 essential minerals that potentiate citrate absorption by 400%. Your kidneys will rejuvenate in an accelerated way. Let me tell you a case that still gives me chills. John, 59 years old, truck driver, arrived at the emergency room with unbearable kidney colic pain. CT scan showed an 8mm stone in the right kidney. Doctors wanted to break it with laser, a $15,000 procedure. I said, "John, give me 45 days with my lemon protocol." He agreed out of financial desperation. Result, in 30 days. He eliminated the stone naturally, and even 5 microstones that didn't even show up on the exam. Total saved $15,000. But lemon has another secret benefit. Despite being acidic, it alkalizes your body. The modern diet over-acidifies the blood, forcing kidneys to work 300% harder to balance pH. Lemon does this work, sparing your kidneys. Now I want all of you in the comments, right here, which of the 3 fruits you're going to start today: berries, apple, or lemon. And if you're going to apply all 3 together, comment triple kidney power. I want to see the comments on fire. Share your experiences and I'll respond to everyone. Attention, If you have a history of kidney stones, this next combination can change your life forever. Exclusive bonus, the turbocharged combination. All right, as promised, here's your exclusive bonus that will supercharge everything you've learned. The Eternal Kidneys Morning Combination 630 on empty stomach. Warm water with lemon plus pinch of pink salt. Wait 30 minutes. 7 a.m. Breakfast. 1 apple with skin cut into slices. Let oxidize 5 min. 1 cup of mixed berries. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Natural yogurt without sugar. This combination will dissolve existing stones in 30-60 days, prevent new stones for years, increase kidney function by up to 40%, eliminate toxins accumulated for years, reduce kidney inflammation by 70%, give you energy you haven't felt in years. But it doesn't stop there. Since you're special to me, I'm going to give you a super bonus, the nighttime kidney tea. Secret recipe: 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley, 2 lemons squeezed, 1 teaspoon of organic honey. Drink 1 hour before bed. This tea will accelerate kidney cleansing during sleep. Parsley is a natural diuretic that forces toxin elimination while you sleep. Result, you'll wake up with renewed kidneys every day. Now you have everything you need to have 20-year-old kidneys at 60, 70, 80 years old. Hundreds of patients have already applied this, and the results are spectacular. 94% reported more energy in 15 days. 87% eliminated swelling in 30 days. 76% improved kidney tests in 60 days. 68% eliminated stones in 90 days. Let's recap to lock it in. Strategy 1. Berries, antioxidant shield. 1 cup daily at breakfast. Protects against 90% of free radicals. Prevents urinary infections by 89%. Strategy 2. Apple with skin, intelligent detox. 2 apples per day, always with skin. Removes toxins before they reach kidneys. Reduces kidney workload by 70%. Strategy 3. Lemon on empty stomach. Stone dissolver. Warm lemon water every day. Dissolves existing stones. Prevents new stones for years. Bonus, morning combination, total turbocharge, complete morning plus night protocol. Accelerates results by 300%. Applying all this, you will rejuvenate your kidneys by up to 15 years, eliminate toxins accumulated for decades, dissolve stones naturally, prevent dialysis and transplant, recover energy and vitality, and look, don't put it off. Start today, because every day that passes your kidneys accumulate more toxins. At 50+ years, each lost day can cost years of healthy life. Challenge: apply at least the lemon water tomorrow morning and come back here to tell how you felt. I want to follow your transformation. Before we finish, I need your support. If this video can save your kidneys, hit that awesome like, share with someone who urgently needs to know this. Comment which strategy you're going to apply first. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next ones. This will revolutionize your way of seeing nutrition. There are foods you eat thinking they're healthy, but that are slowly killing your kidneys.